Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a construction website in WordPress. First, you'll need to choose a reliable hosting provider and register a domain name that reflects your business. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making the setup process straightforward. After installation, select a construction-specific theme to give your website a professional and relevant appearance right from the start. This foundational step is crucial for building a strong online presence for your construction business. Next, focus on creating essential pages that inform and engage your visitors. An About Us page should tell your company's story, highlighting your experience and values. Your services page needs to clearly list all the construction services you provide, from residential builds to commercial projects. Crucially, a portfolio or projects page allows you to showcase your best work with high-quality images and descriptions, demonstrating your capabilities to potential clients. To enhance your construction website's functionality, strategically use WordPress plugins. A contact form plugin is vital for allowing potential clients to easily reach out with inquiries. Installing an SEO plugin will help optimize your site for search engines, making it more discoverable to people searching for construction services. Furthermore, a robust gallery plugin is perfect for beautifully showcasing your project photos, providing an engaging visual experience for visitors exploring your completed work. Finally, before launching your construction website, conduct a thorough review of all content and test every function to ensure a smooth user experience. Implement essential security measures to protect your site from potential threats and maintain its integrity. After launch, remember that regular maintenance is key. This includes consistently updating WordPress core, your chosen theme, and all plugins to ensure optimal performance, security, and compatibility, keeping your site running efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.